Hello fellow travelers! This time I will take you to the most Instagrammed hike in New Zealand. So let's go! Good morning, everybody. I'm actually hiking here at it's called Roy's Peak. So if you actually search for hashtag even like New Zealand or South Islands of New Zealand or Wanaka, this hike is called Roy's Peak. And there was a hype on this hike because when you go up there it's really beautiful, like so the good thing is you still see the snow-capped mountains, so it's gonna be so beautiful when you're up there. And so it's gonna be steep, and it's like 16 kilometers, so 6 hours of hiking. So let's see if I can make it. Hey guys, you know, this hike is not an easy one. It's a continuous ascent and it's really steep. So for me, I'm just enjoying the hike and enjoying the view, because look at that, check that out. Look at the view, guys. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show you more of the view. The view is amazing though. That's the view. And the Alps is in there. This is a beautiful view here. Oh God. Amazing view. So this is what you get. But you have to go up there because the view there is more beautiful. But so guys, if you're coming to Wanaka, which is, I think this one is like an hour and a half away from Queenstown. So if you have a very crunch time, like really short time to visit Wanaka, I think this is the best thing that you're gonna be doing aside from taking a photo of the Wanaka tree. But right now, because what happened was that in the previous days it was constant raining, like downpour, like rain was really hard. So that lake overflowed, and it actually overflowed up to the city center. So what happened was that the roads are closed and the Wanaka tree is kind of submerged, so you didn't see the beauty of it, like because that tree is really known, like it's one of their first attractions here in Wanaka. But you know what's nice about this place is that they have, during winter time, those mountains are actually all white. They're all white, so the backdrop is like the Alps. So for now guys, I'll continue hiking. I know it's not easy, but I have to do it, and I'll be rewarded. I'm here at Roy's Peak. It's 16 kilometers hike here in Wanaka. New Zealand, and it's 60 kilometers. It's so steep, guys, and that is the most Instagrammable point here. The most Instagrammable point. That's really beautiful there. Like I did take a picture. Went to that guy there. Oh, that was like, that's actually Roy's Peak, but this is the most popular one because of those. Check that out. You see those beautiful Alps there, and there you have sometimes, guys, there's actually a line there just to take photos of that spot there. So lucky there's no line today. But look at that, and that's Wanaka. So beautiful, Wanaka. I'm actually about to head down. So before that, I'm gonna give you a good tour. See Roy's Peak. Come down. I'm gonna go down so it would be easier. It's called downhill, but it's really steep. Like the ascent was very steep, yeah. But you know, you can take time, take photos, enjoy the view. And it's Wanaka. It was flooded like kind of 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, that town was flooded. The lake fully overflowed. So that's it. So for now, I'm gonna head down. So it's gonna be easier.
You know all the right things to say. You make it hard for me to walk away. So by your side I promise I'll always stay. But don't you ever try to make a fool of me. Say you'll never leave. Baby, if you go, I will be lost without you on my own. 'Cause you're all that I need, the only one I want. Baby, with you is where I knew I'd belong. And I don't wanna go.
Hello people.
Resuming
Now
workout.
I'm actually downhill, so if you can see it, this guy here is a little bit steep. Check that out. But that is but you know, guys, when you hike here, just take it easy because you have that most beautiful view.
Pausing workout.
So wow, that view will actually relieve your hardships. That's what I say. Okay, but yeah, so just keep walking down. That's how you do it. This is too noisy. So it's a little bit. Hello, you're not too far away. Keep hiking. So, guys, you'll be rewarded with a beautiful view up there. So, what you have to do is just don't give up. Just keep walking. Keep walking. Take a rest. Take a deep breath. Catch your breath when the view is like that. Stop and catch your breath. And that's Wanaka, the town of Wanaka, or the city of Wanaka. It's a pretty small town, but it's beautiful. Hi guys. So yes, at last I'm actually done with my hike, and I actually started like 9:30 and I finished like 1:45, but I was there like taking photos, even using my drone and stuff like that. But it's so worth it, well worth it. So you look at it, that's where I did the Royce Peak Track. So 16 kilometers, 6 hours return. But if you're really fast, guys, you can actually do it like in maybe going up there like 2.5 hours to 3 hours kind of thing, and then coming down maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours. So but the view is amazing, stunning view. So yeah, that's it for now. And wait, my photos, my pictures, I'm gonna be including that in my video. See you guys. Thank you for watching. So is the hike to Royce Peak overrated? Of course not. Although Royce Peak Track is the most Instagrammed hike in New Zealand, and it can be really crowded at times, but I would say that it is one of the most beautiful hikes not only in New Zealand but in the world. The hike is 16 kilometers return, and it can take from 4 hours to 6 hours depending on your fitness level. There are some parts of the hike that can be challenging for some people, but oh boy, all your hard work will be rewarded with the most epic view when you reach the peak. Just like any other hikes in New Zealand, Royce Peak Track is best done in summer, which is from December to February. It can also be done in winter, but you have to bring and use alpine equipment such as ice axe and crampons. And beware, there can also be an avalanche risk in winter. Information about the hike can be found in the description section below. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.